style. Let's begin then.
Shaolin Shadow Boxing. And the Wu-Tang Stars.
Another very freaking cold day out today. It looks beautiful though, however it's very deceiving. Not about this cold weather, man. I'm just not looking forward to winter that much. Alright guys, today I'm getting in full hustle mode right now. Again, I feel like we started this video, every video has been starting out super vague lately, and I feel like I'm sorry, I just feel like I just really want to get this thing done as soon as possible. Not rushing obviously, but I want to get as much work done per day as I can. So today's plan, guys, continuing on with the body work. I'm gonna go ahead and sand everything down again. Hopefully be done with it after that, and then fix our firewall. Once our firewall is fixed, sand the whole thing again, clean it all up, start taping things down, and I guess we'll start getting to the whole prepping for primer. Hopefully we can get somewhere today, fingers crossed. I'm just gonna hop right into it, guys. Oh man, I want to be done with the sanding. Let me be done. Oh boy. Alright, so we're taking a little bit of a break, just real quick. Look what's missing. We're going ahead and delivering the VG because I don't have any personal need for it. I don't want it here. And I figure I might as well give it to someone who's going to actually do something with it. Let's go drop it off.
It all off after, if that would have been quicker, but you still would have had to do all this.
There she is. The old trusty steed. And the plenum. Going to her new home. You know, it's been a while, man. It's been a while. It's gonna be a long night, so you know it's well needed. Oh yes. Look at J-Rad. Shout out to J-Rad for helping out. Follow him on Instagram. Hit him up on Tinder. This is J-Rad. Man, their sign isn't even lit up, but you know what? Shout out to Chick-fil-A for always having that fire food, and LOL out to people that just wait in line for probably close to half. Some wait for a long time, even inside. I just don't know about that mobile order pickup, man. Literally just pulled in, walked inside, grabbed my food in about 30 seconds. Here we are. What do you guys get at Chick-fil-A? I got number one. Add that Colby Jack. I don't know why it's so dark in here. Add that Colby Jack. Extra pickles, mint, large lemonade. Can't complain. Where's Jared? Jared, I think we lost Jared. Jared. Right, well, we're out here just cutting up our firewall. As you guys saw, had to hack up the firewall to get the wiring harness out. And the reason being, as you guys can see, there's a bracket right behind it, which, I don't know, I could, you know, there's maybe half a finger's width right there. So there's, alright, like I was saying, we had to chop our firewall out because it was all mangled up due to our harness not fitting. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to fix this up. As you guys can see, I just got ourselves a nice little square cut out. Gonna go ahead and kind of, you know, get this all patched up, grind down everything, make it look all nice. Probably weld those two seams together. That way they're just kind of one piece. And yeah, so we're going well. Got some glazing putty. All that's pretty much gonna get sanded off. And we're still on that bodywork grind. So
we're out here.
We're out here. Okay, so there we have it. Final result, all welded up. Ground down, obviously looking pretty damn great. Now we can go ahead and basically put our hole wherever the hell we want. I'm even thinking we just not even put it there. I'm thinking maybe even lower down here somewhere. I'll kind of figure out what we want, what we have behind the firewall, and see where the most room is, and then kind of go from there. But go ahead and put some filler in here. I also welded in a little stitch right there. I kind of ground it down already where the battery tray used to be. And what else? What else? What are we doing? What did I say I was gonna do now? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, just filler. We're gonna do some more filler here, and then hopefully, well, yeah, a couple more spots on the firewall, and then filler should essentially be complete. Yeah. Thank God is the truth. So we've had enough, man. A lot of just a lot of work still, but we made good progress. So I'm pretty stoked. I'm just glad there's no more hack job hole in our firewall. It's a big plus. Also, just a quick heads up, because both my batteries were dead at this time, so I couldn't really film the content for you guys. But as far as our metal back there, I believe it was 16 gauge, so it was some pretty thick stuff. It was either 16 gauge or like 26 gauge, and I didn't want to go super, that's too thin. So everything is welded up very, very nice. What I did to go ahead and get that hole into a piece of metal is I just went ahead and trimmed up a piece of like cardboard, went ahead and cut me out a nice little hole, and then trace that over to metal, and then cut it out, and bada bing, bada boom. Looks pretty damn neat. It's gonna look a whole lot better once that filler is sanded away. Oh, by the way, so just a quick heads up on the VG, guys. Forgot to completely even let you guys know what is going on with that deal. So a buddy of mine actually picked it up from us, and he's actually gonna be swapping it in his Datsun 510. So do you guys want to see a video series on that swap? I'm gonna be helping him out with it, so I figured, do you guys want me to bring the camera along and film the whole process? I think it'd be pretty cool. A VG30 swapped Datsun 510. Seems pretty legit. Maybe it'll convince me to get my own Datsun, you know what I mean? I would love a 240 or 260Z one day. So as you guys can see, the glazing putty kind of got rid of filled in a lot of the little stuff that we couldn't really see. It's pretty insane, actually. Like, bodywork blows my mind, and it's crazy how much time it actually does consume. You guys can even see like all that there, and this is all pretty much ready. I mean, it still needs a little bit of love here and there, but this is the closest. This little piece right here, this strut tower right here, is the closest piece that's ready for paint right now. This is looking good. We're getting there, guys. As you can see, I mean, it's, still got to sand some more down here. Haven't really touched that area. But we're coming along really well. This engine bay is gonna look so fire. Now, just a quick heads up, I'm thinking, what size hole do you think I should cut out? 2.5 inch or 3 inch for our firewall grommet? I'm thinking 2.5 inch, but I'm thinking maybe 3 inch might be a little bit better. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. 2.5 inch or 3 inch wiring harness grommet. Let me know. But yeah, I mean, no more nasty hole. Now we just have to go ahead and, sand away all that Bondo pretty much. Well, our awesome, super high quality USC auto body filler. And we're looking super good. And guys, I mean, I don't know if you can see just how much work has been going into this thing. I mean, everywhere. You guys look, even down there, up in here, all around in that corner right there. I mean, there has been body work done everywhere. On these corners right here, these, obviously there's no hard edges anywhere in this engine bay. Down here has been done, in here. Guys, this is gonna be incredible. Up here, there used to be a huge seam. We're not gonna see any of that anymore. This is gonna be next level. So again, sorry about the kind of repetitive, I guess, content, guys. I almost feel like Trevor from Motion Out of TV. Shout out, bro. Just a lot of sanding, it's just kind of the way it goes with body work, especially the engine bay. If you're shaving a bay like this, for anyone that's actually done it, you guys know how much time goes into something like this. Especially when you're welding up holes, doing body filler, and actually taking your time and making things look right. it's crazy, dude. But the end result will be nuts. So here's what I'm thinking. Tomorrow I'll get this engine bay ready for primer. I keep saying that, but come on, we have to get this thing done eventually. So tomorrow that's the plan, and then primer maybe tomorrow night. Fingers crossed. Base coat hopefully latest by Monday or Tuesday. The thing is, we're kind of, you know, I want to get the base coat on there, but I'm thinking like we're kind of waiting for a clutch still. So I can't, once the engine bay is painted, you know, we can't put the engine in until our clutch is in, you know? So kind of debating on what we're going to do there. So that kind of makes me not want to rush as much. And I also have to test fit the engine probably tomorrow to go ahead and kind of mock up intercooler piping and stuff like that. But yeah, man, I mean, again, if you guys are not subscribed and you're watching this, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, share it with your friends, man. This is going to be one awesome build. The 2J, it's been a while. You know, this place is kind of a mess right now, but it's also very, very dusty. But I need to get this place organized a little bit better since now we have the VG out of here. But that's going to be it for today's episode, guys. More progress on the engine bay. A little bit more to come your way. But thank you guys so much for keeping up to date with the daily content. You guys are awesome. We're at, what, like build episode 13? We're getting through it, man. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Later. Peace.